Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add a header image to your Google form. First, start by opening your Google form. You can use a new form or one you've already created. The process is the same. At the top of the form, look for the Paint Palette icon. This is the Customize Theme button. Click it to open the theme menu. In the theme settings, go to the header section and click Choose Image. Here you have two options. Select from Google's gallery of ready-made designs or upload your own image like a logo or custom graphic directly from your computer. Once you've chosen or uploaded your image, click Insert. Google Forms will automatically resize and fit the image into your header. And that's it! Your Google form now has a customized header image, giving it a polished and unique look. A simple change like this can make your form more engaging and professional for your respondents. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.